Now I will create a bootable pen drive of Ubuntu. Run this software Rufus. This will automatically detect your pen drive. Okay. Now on the boot section. Okay. Now just click on start.
3:28 a.m.
What are you talking about? I've done nothing with this other than install that hard point of having a... What? You managed to completely nuke? How? You know what? No, forget it. The wife's still awake, so I've got Manjaro loaded up here.
Okay, I just tried rooting for this guy who just installed Manjaro just now, and yeah, he just got a little seizure and he's in the hospital as of now. The medical report says that the cause of seizure is manslaughter, possibly from the Ubuntu lovers themselves.
Where the fuck is he?
No, I'm a legend. A myth.
I'm a baller, a shot caller. I'm an Arch Linux installer. Your proprietary operating system I wouldn't buy for $1. Apt, Pac-Man, DNF2. Run them from the terminal. Always add sudo. GNOME, and KDE. Too much bloat, so I leave them be.
What the fuck is wrong with you, man?